Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a platform that matches your audience. Web AR needs no app while Spark AR reaches social feeds. Once chosen, import your logo, a short MP4, and a lightweight 3D model. Smaller files load faster. Make a high-contrast target image for image tracking so the AR has a reliable anchor. Now create a new AR project, link the target, and place your logo as the primary trigger. This gets the AR to appear when a phone scans the card. You now assemble the experience. Anchor the 3D card or video to the tracking image and set realistic scale and rotation so it appears natural in hand. Then add interactive controls. Tap hotspots to call, open an email draft, or launch a URL so viewers take action immediately. Make sure to optimize assets by compressing textures and reducing polygon counts. This improves load time and battery use. Once interactive logic works on desktop preview, test on multiple phones to verify stability and alignment. You finish by exporting and publishing. For Web AR, upload to your host and share the short link or QR code. For app platforms, use their publish workflow. Then test across iOS and Android, in varied lighting and at different distances, making adjustments to scale and brightness so the AR reads reliably. If tracking fails or load times are long, recalibrate the target image, lower texture sizes, or swap to a lighter 3D model. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.